Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to change language on YouTube Music. Now the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your YouTube Music application, which of course I have done right here. Now the next thing is, where exactly can you download YouTube Music? You can get it on Google Play Store or Apple Store. Launch any of those applications and look at the search bar. In the search bar, type YouTube Music and follow through the on-screen instructions to install the app. After installing, it's going to take you right into the sign up page. Now, I'd like you to know that YouTube Music is integrated into your Google account, so signing up is hassle-free. After signing in, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time on YouTube Music. Now, let's quickly hop into today's text, and that is how to change the language on YouTube Music. Now, before we proceed, I would like you to know that you cannot change the language directly in the YouTube Music application. So where can you change it? You can change it in the YouTube application. And once you change it in YouTube application, it's definitely going to reflect in your YouTube Music app. Let's go try it. So over here, I'm launching my YouTube application. That's the YouTube main application. So from here, bottom right corner, you're going to find your profile picture. Here's my profile picture. So I'm just going to click on that. And it takes me over here. So from this window, go ahead and click on the top right corner of your screen where you have the settings wheel. Go ahead and click on the settings wheel and it takes you over here. Now you have general, account, data saving, autoplay, all the way down to about. Now go ahead and click on general. And that takes you right into the general settings. Over here, you have remind me to take a break, remind me when it's bedtime, you have appearance, you have app language, which is the core of this tutorial. Now go ahead and click on app language. And here you have a wide variety of languages that you can change this to. So let's say I've changed it to English, United Kingdom as default. So go ahead and click on change. And once you click on change, you will see that your YouTube homepage is going to be refreshed and set to the language that you have set it to. So this is YouTube Music. This is YouTube application, and definitely. Okay, so that has been changed. So now that that has been changed, you see that you can, of course, you can head over to the home page and go ahead and click on this icon right next at the top left corner, right next to all. Click on that and now you have YouTube Music. Now go ahead and click on YouTube Music, and once you click on YouTube Music, it takes you here with the exact language that you changed it to. So that's pretty much it. This is how you can change the language on YouTube Music. I can go about this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.